काल एक व्हिडिओ आउट झालेलो आसा आणि हाचे बद्दल आमचो भाव आसा ताका ही आताची माय आणि ताका आता त्रास जाता पळोवपाक म्हणून ताणें एक रिक्वेस्ट केलेलो लोकांक की तांकां हेल्प करपाक म्हणून कोणे तरी हेल्प करपाक आदार दिवपाक म्हणून हो व्हिडिओ काल आउट जालो आणि चंद्रशेखर हो आमचो भाव या गांवचो भुरगो ताणें कोणाक हाडून तो व्हिडिओ ताचेर एक अपील कसो की तांकां मातशें पळोवचें म्हणून कोणें तरी कित्याक तांचे कडेन जायना ही आमची माय मातशी जाणटी आहा आनी आतां तो एकटोच भुरगो आसा तो कामाक वचना तो घरानूच आसता म्हणून अशें स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स आमी हिंगा येयल्या तांकां ताचें सिट्युएशन कितें आहा तें आयकोवपाक आनी कसलो आदार जावं ते पासून आमी विचारपाक म्हणून आमी मुद्दम हांगा येयलेले आसा म्हणून ताणें आपणाची स्टोरी कितें सांगलें पण म्हाका दिसता चंद्रशेखर पेडणेकर हाका कित्याक हेणें तो व्हिडिओ केला ताका खबर आसतली सो चंद्रकांत बाब तूं सांग मातशें कसलो आदार तिका जाय आनी कशे भाशेन लोकांनी ताका हेल्प करचें कसले सिट्युएशनान आहा तें ती
तेंच्या कडेन फायनान्स म्हणजे कांयच ना एक तिका 2000 येतात सो तिचेरूच तेंचें सगळें चलता कितें आहा तें मेडिसीन म्हण या घराचें लायटीचें बील या जेवणाचें कितें आहा तें सो म्हाका दिसता आनी तो एक हँडिकॅप कसो डिसेबल पर्सन सो त्या खातीर तेका कितें बेनिफीट मेळचें ते खातीर हांवें तो हें केल्लें की एक हेल्प मागतालो की तेका एक 2000 2-3 कितें मेळटा सोशल वेलफेअराचो सो तेका मेळचें हे हातून एक हांवें अपील कशी केल्ली आनी आमच्या एक MLJ थिंकां त्या मार्फत
म्हणून तुमकां आतां तेजी स्टोरी सगळी खबर आसात म्हाका दिसता चंद्रशेखर बाब हिंगा येवन तांकां तेजें आधार कार्ड आनी कितें जे पळय डॉक्युमेंट्स कितें तयार करपाचें आहा ते तूं म्हाका दिसता फुडें सरला ते करपाक
ते डॉक्युमेंट तेंचे कितें आहा न्हू ते हांवें प्रत्येक डॉक्युमेंट पळयलें आनी तशे डॉक्युमेंट तेंचे रेडी केले आनी तेकाच घेवन एकाच दिसान ते केले कंप्लीट फायल केली आनी ती आतां हांव दिवपाक म्हणून ते डिपार्टमेंटाक ते
आतां आधार कार्ड रेडी आसा तो आधार कार्ड रेडी जावन मागीर घोडे तेजे आनी कितें कसले तरी डॉक्युमेंट्स करूं येता
हय रेजिडंट इनकम पासबूक तेचो पासबूक सुद्दां नासलो
बँक अकाउंट बी तशें
कांयच नासलें सो हांवें तो अकाउंट ओपन केलो तो आनी येवन सांगलें की आतां तेचे फॉर्मूय भरले सो ऑलमोस्ट आतां तुजे फॉर्म हांव फॉरवर्ड करतलो म्हणून
सो लोकांक जाय जाल्यार तांकां तेजे बँक अकाउंटार आमी लोकांक दीत जाल्यार लोक घोडे घालूंक शकता अशें म्हणटा तूं तेजो बँक अकाउंट
ना
बँक अकाउंट अजून जावना
ना जावन
अच्छा सो ताका बँक अकाउंट ना म्हणून ताका लागून ते तांकां मातशे त्रास जाता
ओके So we are here today, 18th of March. There was a gentleman, Chandrakant Pednekar, who put out a video asking for appeal for this elderly lady and her son. Basically, the son is a person with disability. He is intellectual disability. He has a UDID card. But due to poverty or due to backwardness in the village, it is a completely remote area. They have been living a very simple life. To such an extent that they are cooking their food on wood. So the old lady is growing old and she is not sure that once she passes away what will happen to her son. So when we saw the video, I came with Arthur and Joseph to understand how we can help them, and definitely in the future the son Kaitan, right? He will require rehabilitation because his sister is in Bombay and she has some other family issue and some medical issues. So we came to reassure the old lady that whatever is her financial shortfall now, we will take care of it on a monthly basis. We will also provide her tomorrow a gas cylinder and a gas stove new from our side. We'll also provide some these utensils. We have also handed over Ajit Panchwadkar's number and Guru Pavaskar's number to Chandrakant Pednekar to follow up on his pension. I have also given Banudas Goldekar's number, civil supplies inspector in Mapsa, because they were supposed to get a particular quantity of ration which they are not getting. So I have informed him to call the civil supplies. I have also given him Dr. Anil Umbraskar's number, who is the new in charge of Tuai Health Center for any medical emergencies, to look into the matter. This is a gentleman here. So now Anthony Coelho. So Anthony Coelho has been taking care of the running around of this Kaitan for the past few years, and what I feel happy that the village life is still, there is still some bonding in the village. You know, the neighbors, there was a neighbor here, what's her name? Jessica. There was a neighbor here, Jessica Mandor. She just left. She also keeps an eye on them. So it feels nice that when you come to a village, you know, the neighbors know your problems, whereas in the cities, people don't know the next person. And we feel proud that, you know, we are able to reach out to a fellow Goan family, or due to poverty, due to old age, that we can reach out to them and help them. They have some work to do of their house regarding the electricity and some small jobs, but we are waiting for the sister who will come down in the due course of time. At the moment, what we have committed is a monthly charge which we will give as a donation towards the old lady. We'll provide a gas cylinder and a gas stove from our side. If we can send a monthly ration, we will send. And whatever paperwork they require to do, we have given them the contact. And in the due course of time, somebody from our side will be visiting them to see what else we can do. So if there are any more cases like this of ethnic Goans or Amche Nis Goenkar Jami Munta, you can always get in touch with us. We will come to see the story. We will come to evaluate the story. There is no politics here. We are not blaming anybody, and people should not blame anybody. This is a genuine case where the authorities may get up, will get up, and should get up and solve the problem once we have come. So we thank Chandrakant Pednekar, and we thank Anthony Coelho for, you know, networking with this family. Chandrakant Coelho has done the paperwork, and Anthony Coelho is the neighbor here who has been following up and keeping an eye on them. And we as Street Providence will be taking up more matters like this, especially since the boy of this house, Kaitano, is a person with disabilities, and he may not have anybody to look after him in the due course of time. So thank you all for watching, and we'll update you in the next month again what we have done here. Thank you so much.